tus gosan le met pa khane chi gorsa lama iorsa lama aorsa lama jixne ngorsa lama jeji to yoman le so somersa lama jixti goshesino te ottenere ninta con rispetto ne tappa jogoshes stavela lama chi molna tena kanajini samcheshkale tene chi stavela lama te sambatanjina zupku purra ikane espubra namna chine so Mara spun sik na lara. Ya ju spun man pote med mi june. Ina te gona lara le. Teni jik mara rai tar tsavela ma. Geron tu pojum beche. Oh ya, teni jik ta pare juste. Teni sange chos genden sum konchosuma. Teni shkausu sontein, teni semchen tam jile nije gumste ha. So, you should invoke devotion to your root guru. Yeah, you should have one root guru. Like a tree only has one root, doesn't have multiple roots, So you should always have one root guru who inspires you, with whom you have a connection as a human being, and with whom you feel connected, with whom you feel like you can literally, go the distance. I think that's a phrase. You can go the distance, or with whom you can literally just do whatever. Yeah. So we need to have that kind of a guru in our lives. So whoever you consider as your guru, I ask you to fold your palms and to visualize your guru and to invoke devotion to your guru and to feel this connection, this beautiful connection. And then we will do the refuge prayer, and at the same time also feel compassionate for all sentient beings suffering from so many, due to ignorance, due to childish behavior from an enlightened point of view, who harm themselves and others. Let's do the refuge prayer. Manam gadanyam bezam shandam jet lama sangya jizgis kulash gabzun cheo manam gadanyam bezam shandam jet lama elon zos bez kulash gabzun cheo manam gadanyam bezam shandam jet ramay togje dolbes kulash gabzun cheo manam gadanyam bezam shandam jet lama sangya jimbo chela shkabzon cheo manam kadanyam besam shantam jet lama sangya jizgis kola shkabzon cheo manam kadanyam besam shantam jet lama lon sho zos bez kola shkabzon cheo manam kadanyam besam shantam jet lama togje dolbez kola shkabzon cheo manam kadanyam besam shandam jet lama sangya jimbo chela shkabzon cheo manam kadanyam besam shandam jet lama sangya jizgis kola shkabzon cheo manam kadanyam besam shantam jet lama lon sho zos bez kola shkabzon cheo manam Kadanyambe Semshantamjin Lama Tokje Dulbes Kola Shkabzonje Manam Kadanyambe Semshantamjin Lama Sangya Rimboche La Shkabzonje Yaju Tenete de Zumatantene, Shkamruji, Silte, Savilla Magunata Paji, Joseph Shinji, Gomse, Teni Dasa, Tashish Getpa, Sexuchip, on Hanjinam Dazak Magic Siliniele. Then a page number, Instagram, upload Chukambu, page number 1 Ikatukle. The one that I've uploaded on Instagram, it is page number 1. The noble prayer to the 8 holders of prosperity. So they will go 42. Gendon pabezo kola chansal da jata shejo don megalabo salta don dogum chambe gyan palgeta Gola Gonsba Gai Cheta Bajan Lon Botam Patsal Baltani Sem Shantam Jala Gonta Bebal Yitzem Zat Pazarata Zenzan dos bedai shibas beve devarashes bargala chansalo jamba jono baldan dorjenzen Charazewa Gombo Chambeba Sayinyambo Deba Nambarzil Nam Kenyimbo Pancho Kundozam Udbadorje Badgarlo Shingdang Norbul Dawaral Dinimai Chanzalenam Daishibagensho Chanjo Sembargala Chansalo Rinchen Donjo Daishiseginya Denjo Bonza Ye Onkamala Ngenda Donda Ponzo Barbeo Mino Ganza Vajgur Kolode Rinchen Tanjor Gage Chanzanjan Chodigawa Chejenge ge song wo dan be bas be da xin la mur ga la chan zai lo zang bai chen bo den zhong se me bo me song dan dan ga bo yon courage pas ges bo dan lo wa me zang nam te sa de la za go lo dang tre joy la dan don don do je je pe wang ra de cho de gan zen zen sa so ne so gele ta shes bil jig des gong war ya la chan sai lo dai chai den de cha wa zong bai la ge dang ye wan ze wa gun she she do dong bam be san de ye jin do dai shi de de bo so zo par sho oh yeah, testing ne atan gurum buche na chikin solipo now check things now. After this we will do the 7-line prayer to Guru Padmasambhava. And chikin solipo page number 227 le ye sominaya ye pena chishil samekat. Then the page number of Guru Padmasambhava, the 7-line prayer to Guru Padmasambhava. There's no page number. I just uploaded it, that's it. Yeah, Julie. Then 227 is upule. Chodumena. Tochi piansa. Gurumbuchia. Then Gurumbuchi Homazat. Gurumbuchi then Sulwata Bazat. Sol. Oh, manda. Gurumbuchi molte kya sui. Gurumbuchi Sulwatamna. Then Skaps. Chichimkora. Skapchi sepia. Mana. Then Matanchi something to Chisipia. You don't want to announce you in Gurumbuchi. 다 록사딘 물감 소신 좀 하나 질러보자 구름부지 코라 모두 겨주 송고선 구름부지야 두스균은 단지 솔라다 보시면 각치면 왜 근데 유동하다 직도 소리는데 두숨 상교제로 조슬라더니 버질랑제 선발로 되고 있는 각치면 뭐 주더냐 오래간 유래기노 장 Sambat my geser don bola yan zan chogi me do nie bad my jong ne she so da guru do kan do ma be skol ke je so da do ge jenge lo je so song guru padma se de hong oregan yulege no jang sambat my gesar don bola yan zan chogi me do nye bad man jong ne she so da Korodon Kando Mambe Score Kiki Jesu Dandoge Chingi Loje Jesu So Ngoro Padma Sede Om Oregan Yulegeno Jang Time Padma Kesar Dom Bola Yan Zan Joging Ero Nye Padma Jong Ne She So Jang Korodon Kando Mambe Skoy Keke Jesu Dandoge Chingi Loje Jesu So Angoro Padma Sede Hong Yanju 감상자진네 아따 손진이라고 그래서 무슨 짓이래. Oh yeah, it feels so relieved, relaxed, by praying. So beautiful. The words have been composed not just by, a mere human being, by enlightened masters, by dakas and dakinis, by mystical beings. For example, this particular supplication to Guru Rinpoche, the 7-line supplication to Guru Rinpoche, prayer to Guru Rinpoche, legend has it that it has been composed by mystical beings, dakas and dakinis. So it is much more special, than the other prayers. So everybody should memorize it and contemplate on the meaning and pray to Guru Rinpoche, Guru Padmasambhava. 이 다상마다 때문에 지금 솔직한 뭐 로규스나 때 못된 간도마군에서 간이노 저렇게 미지기 조건인 등미로 때문에 간도마군다 간도마저를 지내야 때 마다치듯이 김라군 시스템만 해야 한다는데 미국은 즉 간도마저를 지는지 하마고 지르가 군간지 알루루루루루지 간소리 소리 할에 푸다군 소리 쏟아간 소리 베르가탄 간 소리 때문에 즉 도르제주 간 소리 대수군 시스템만 그래 그래서 간도마저를 지나 지듯이 코나 되는 거다 지듯이 통다 진압전 즉 딕바닥한 개와삭간 라마나 닥바윷간 소알에 저식감 쇼마고 때문에 지시고나 해주고 대수리만 다시간 대수고는 되는 간도만 잘하는 거네 되는 간도만 지간 뭐 미소심만 해야 대군에서 때 나오즈로가 야주 Destiny is upole sanges. After that we'll do the an abridged prayer for rebirth in Devachan, the short prayer to be reborn in Amitabha's Sukhavati pure realm. Yeah. So that one is 209, the one that I've uploaded on Instagram. Then in Angansa Sanget Dukju, Jipkya Dunchu Dunget 478. Yeah. Monzere sange na wanda ya daya zoi joe do je bodang yondo semba endo je do na la sange changse ba me gor gor teshge monzere ba do me ba yel de wa janje zave jingander da jande na zembe görma da eşke wa jenge barma je baro Teroshkene nangde shandong shong desgandage molanda baye choju sangye jangsen damjage kemen robore jenge labdozo tayada benzande ya awan bodana yeso ha emao 원소레 상게 나완 타야스다 야조 조에 도제 젠보당 연도 셈바인도 젠도나라 상게 장세 밤에 골게고 Dishki Mansara Bado Med Bayi Aldewai Janshi Zave Shingander Tajan dena zimbe girma dash ke wa jange barma chubaro Tirosh ke ne nang de jandon jo des ga da ye mola da ba ye Choju sangye changzem damja ge kengmen jobore jinge labdo zot Daya da benzon deya awan boda na ye so ha ema ho nganzer sangye nang wan daya daya zoi joe doje jembo dang Yondo senpa endo jendo na lai sangye changzem ba men gorge gor Dishki ngonzara bado med ba yin lewai chanje zave jingamder Dajan dena zembe görma dash kevai jenge barma jubaro Dirosh gene nande jandon jon desgai dage molan dabaye Choju sangye changzen damja ge kengmen jobore jenge labdo zol Daya ta benzon de awan boda na ye so hai chode gyao seje gon zonye zolai je rang Dage tisum ge sa ba goncho son lan chot ba bo Gelve estan ban belgere je ge wa semja gon lango Jogo sangya stop gere je ge za tamje jigde de Dajan gyola min gere je jingye dane zo zo de Sere na me nyam don be sende zo jo non gere je Namşı zembe görma dal devay candoş ge görecek Şkene badme kacı de lüzden de la zangejo Cancu tone ceze do ben do Cimbare şo el devay cange şinkam nay sangya zotpa medbay şo molam da ben trong sayin Shinjo derosh kevore şo om ami deva shi 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 Ya tenish moi dedication of merit 399 is an Instagram upload chukan bu Devotarik Jazad It is good if you memorize them, so that you don't have to keep, because we always have to do dedication. Shmo na mine time dugo sangle. Son pasana chik special din maduga, mobile na chik zon maduga. Lozum stana. Jatung te memorize chostan. Ko jama chingishin ashesan pare. Chichison. Oscar kanskala dugstamana. I think Oscar is sitting outside, upside down. Before dedication, I will just show you. This is Oscar and Zangpo very naughtily. Super naughty. I don't know what Zangpo is. Let me try to put the phone. It's shaking too much. Dole. Chenmo Oscar. Anchopo Zangpo no. Miska Pilodos. Kamarpik Dole. Ras Marpik Tospo. That red thing, Oscar was playing with that. The Nepal Parekani chose Tangzan, Tisuk chosen in District Ram just a Yaj Oscar song Pakane. Oscar song Jo ho ho ho. Oscar Shoshantions. Oh ho 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 ho. Money Zampostar is exam. Zampostar Oscar. Oh ho ho ho. Stase Duk Duk. Yeah. That's my dog Oscar. Ganskala dukan bole. Isu picture. Oh, sorry. Evil. The Oscar is Zangpole. So cute. Tayans person as say. I think now they're going to play. So cute. I love these boys so much. tel demo miska dikwari yang swarti cheshinor ki putang astas na zampo tangto mitong atere yeah jeta kons kan sparsi chuk. This is the view from my room, my living room. Let's do the dedication. I can tone books so they distract me sometimes, because I can see them from my peripheral vision. So Oscar, they're playing, rummaging around, chasing each other, Here, dedication. Senam de damje zigbanye domne nyesbe danam bamje de shkega nanje balan to baye shitbe zole ndo jolvare jo jambal pave jetar gemba da gondo zambo de yang de jinde Teda kungi jeso dalo jenge wan teda damje rabdo Jamjo semjo rimbo je mashke asbana shke gyarje shke sba nyamba medba yang Kongne gondo belvare sho ekewa ande yeshke o kon sona yeje sozo ne sona yeshe le jongwe tambas koni to par sho. Nyanjo. Tenita zapingata warm gavin. Let's do some meditation now. Before we finish, as always. As always, we're going to concentrate on a small bindu like this. Yeah, a bindu is just a small object. Bindu is very similar to bindi, I think. Bindi means this. In Hindi, Hindu women, they put this red dot on their forehead, and bindi, that's called bindi. This is called bindu. Yeah, so don't put a red dot on your forehead. Yeah, get a bindu like this and just put it in front of you. Oh yeah, like. I think 2 or 3 feet away from you on the floor. Yaju. The needs of Stushin Bujipurazad. Dumbika. As always, simple. Gumachinokle. Left. Ika Burazad. Nyanna he. Nyanna. Sorobzen Juju. Manikoran ta Bushikaino. Ta Jogoson. Ta ten. Uzuchutin to know the Zorkranzelli. So Nyanna could dictate my. And what making out to Zuski to Consusla. Nyanna is Zoski to Gosazeli. Oh, yeah. Then it. Lapa. Yunmikato Yaspa Oberasat. Sit cross-legged in Vajrasan, in the Vajra position. Because from the top, it looks like a Vajra. And it's also very stable. That is why it's called a Vajra position. Then, right on top of left. In your palm. Sorry, in your lap. And then back straight. Back absolutely straight. Then shoulder open say open just there. Maizuna go kama sa tso. Ingata shoulder spangiska. Spechana go disong chen chargo tsosla dugo shin chargo ta chipati chargo tsosla. Pura sans dugo sa no zantini oxnen chetla machanole. Mata oxnen chese lungs ko nikate no pa. Ya ju tenishing stilu so go tsapik duno kuches. Ya. Doshish kiltum tosan gas des molton chele. Jambal sanjidana. Doshish kiltum dose rom yana tene mata sangesa no mane. Yo andulin roma megetene mata sangesh mala moten gele. This position, the 7-point sitting posture of Varajana, can lead us to enlightenment if you base your meditation on this posture. So physically, this posture is very important. It's very, it's full of this. The whole posture is very meritorious. Givachan. Also keep your head crooked. Minutes chule. 10 minutes. 10 minutes. Oh, krasu. Yeah, Joe. Only 10 minutes. Your eyes half shut, looking at the bindu. Yeah. Be active, this meditation. You can't just doze off. mentally. You have to be active. You have to engage yourself. You have to engage your vision, your view, your gaze onto the bindu. And you have to actively gaze at the bindu. It will be easier to place your mind. If you just stare at the bindu like this, then your mind will start wandering. You have to actively gaze at the bindu and try not to blink your eyes. Chana dukstana longe dukashis bokomzema nokle. Yomata deushin bigastase dukasa nokle. Mingnam stase dukasa noshit. Be straight. Katanjux. Chikulamazat. Don't move an inch. If your mind starts wandering, bring it back and place it, rest it on the bindu. Simbo tewa yang shi zang gura manole. Second kashik yang looks like it doesn't take more than a few seconds for the mind to start wandering. Bring it back. Keep gazing at the bindu. Be aware if your mind has already wandered. If it has, bring it back. Only 10 minutes. Minuscule. Persevere. Don't just give up. Что чувствует? Я намерен palms. Try not to blink. Gaze intentionally at the window. This Samba Mampu Koranna Termi put a big Tarinia Staradianule. It's a big Tarin Dun Rigastasia. Oh, Samba Lojushus. Minute sir. That's 10 minutes. Then it was going to somewhat try to meditate even after this in your spare time. Well, I think everybody has spare time these days. So, yeah, utilize the time properly and try to memorize the teachings of Shantideva. Try to memorize some of the prayers and basically, just reflect on the meanings of the teachings. They make so much sense to us. teni chik dus tongpa yozani tangtere tsama tukdal moy nok teni meditation rik choza tsabik teni chunjugi tasa jiwale ter satsi gun lozum azad ter lozum chechi kumala teka sambatang usano laglin chos te mani anjik hale koran khani chipo matan teni loizu tonte lozum se pana manokle teka laglin cho usano teni teka laglin cho azad te yang atas te machik shoyo yongzane chik ngata chik mitsina ko dungal yongzane teni te zane chos bu pana nokmani so te laglin cho usis kakchini nok teni rtsawe lame kasal kan gunika laglin cho usis nok o ya teni semshan guna not pa cho amazad sama tunti yuks